Voice time! Hello again, everybody. This is page 70 in the Let's Go 1 workbook. It's the Let's Read, so the phonics section for Unit 8. And in this section, we are exploring the short vowel U. In the student books, it was presented to us like this.
U. Umbrella. Tub. Bug. Cup.
Okay, let's start. We're going to circle the right letters to spell this picture. Number 1 is a tub, so we got t, tub. Number 2 is a bug, so we're gonna look for b. There's b, ball. There's ball, bug. There's bug. Number 3 is a cup, so we're gonna go k. Cup. There we go. We're done part A already. In part B, we just need to write the words in the boxes here, and then we're going to match them to the picture. Okay, number 1 starts with a B, so that's going to be bug, b, ba, bug. Number 2 starts with a U, so that will be umbrella, umbrella. And number 3 starts with a T, so tub, tub. And number 4 starts with a C, so it's going to be cup, cup. Okay, let's match them. This is the umbrella, the bug goes here, the tub goes here, the cup goes here. We are done with part B, and that means that we're done with our workbook for today. Nice job.